Hello there. I can sense your fear. I can feel you cowering in your mind. Of course, you're asleep now, and you don't even know what you're afraid of. Don't worry yourself. I'm not going to kill you. I only need a piece of you. A few slow incisions to my unaware victim, and soon I shall hold in my hand the thing that will sustain your kidney. You get to keep your pathetic life, and I can sate the hunger. It's a win-win situation, as you humans tend to say. When you wake up tomorrow and you find the scar of my actions, I want you to stop dead in your tracks and consider all the horrid possibilities. I want you to know that you are not safe. I want you to realize that you, even now, are not